I like the feature that you can use it for zesting, turning the grater over and using it that way, because that's a real easy way to skin up your knuckles. There's a lot of skills to learn at one time, and so if you don't have to be fearful of cutting yourself, it's easier to let the whole thing come together. We always tell them to look at what they're doing, so they would be looking at the slice and fun, and this way know that one fear they wouldn't have would be cutting themselves. I think it has a lot of purposes. One purpose that is excellent is on hard foods like zucchinis, carrots, parsnips, apples that you could definitely slice. I think it's a great name because so many people look at the drudgery of cooking and they don't realize that it can be really fun. When I was teaching cooking, the kids class was called Cooking for Kids, but then we couldn't do that name when we used adults. So we said, okay, we've got to come up with another thing that we wanted them to realize that it was something enjoyable, so we called it Cooking for Fun. And that's what we had on our aprons, and that's what all the adults had on their aprons, and they realized in a fun setting that it can be fun.